Hi everyone, how are you? Hope so. You all are happy and healthy and having a perfectly good day. So, today I will talk about e commerce. What is e commerce and types of e commerce business and how do e commerce business function? I would tell you further details, but before this, I have a little request that if you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to like and share my videos. Do press the bell icon to get notified our all videos and don't miss our any video. So let's get start our video. Firstly, I will explain that what is e-commerce. E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce, is the process of buying and selling of products or services, making money transfers and transferring data over an electronic medium, internet. This network allows people to do business without the constraint of distance and time. And now I will explain the types of e-commerce business. There are various types of e-commerce business options that you can choose from based on your preferences, capital and online business model. For different businesses, you have to implement various techniques and strategies. Some of the favorite online companies include: Number one is B2B businesses. Number two, B2C businesses. Number three, affiliate marketing business. Number four, Google AdWords marketing. Number five, online auction selling. And number six is web marketing. Now I will explain that how do e-commerce businesses function. Online business works pretty much on the same principles as an offline retail store does. On a broader scale, the whole e-commerce process can be broken down into three main components or work processes. Receiving orders. This is the first step where customers place the order through the e-commerce platform, website or an online portal and the seller makes a note of it. Processing order information. The second step where all the details of the order are processed and completed. It is now ready for delivery. Shipping. The last step wherein the delivery process is carried out. All the logistics components play a significant role in this step to ensure timely delivery to the customer. If you get the basics right and conduct your e-commerce business in the right way, you will surely enjoy good profits. Always remember that proper business planning and implementation are the keys to a successful online store. Trade has long ago moved from offline world to e-commerce and many of us have adhered of or used services of these e-commerce companies. Now one might think that he or she knows all the companies listed, but only the giants have caught your eye since there are many more e-commerce companies whose net worth is measured in billions. They are not all Western, and no, Alibaba is not the only Chinese success story. Now I will tell you about largest e-commerce companies in the world. Number one is Amazon, the king of e-commerce companies. Not surprisingly, we start talk of the largest e-commerce companies in the world with Amazon. Amazon, founded in 1994, this internet company today has the largest revenue in the world, but its beginnings were humble. It was initially not more than an online bookstore. Second largest company of the world is Jingdong, Chinese e-commerce with the cutest logo. Many of us living in the Western world did not even hear of this e-commerce giant. The second on our list of the largest e-commerce companies in the world is Jingdong, also known as JD.com. This e-commerce company operating from Beijing, it was founded in 1998 and started trading online 6 years later. Third largest company in the world is Alibaba Group Holding Limited, Chinese e-commerce dragon. If you are buying stuff on the internet, there is a significant chance that you bought something from AliExpress or Alibaba. This Chinese mega company comes third on the list of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. Few people have not heard of Jack Ma's success story. The Chinese business magnate's life is a riches to rags story. Having been rejected from more than 30 job posts in the early 1990s, he started making websites for companies with his wife and a friend. The business grew exponentially, and in the year 1999, Alibaba Group was founded, the world's largest retailer of present day, operating in more than 200 countries. And at number 4 is eBay, the e-commerce company that once sold a whole town. The eBay's beloved red, blue, green, yellow logo is for many a symbol of the 1990s, and for a good reason. It was one of the first successful dot-com bubble companies that optimized online shopping. The company was founded in 1995 and its most distinctive feature is the online auction feature, alongside a conventional buy it now shopping option. Number 5 largest e-commerce company in the world is Rakuten, Japanese e-commerce Godzilla. After a brief spell of American companies, we return to the Far East. Rakuten is a Japanese e-commerce company. Launched in 1997, they operate Japan's largest online bank. In addition to online shopping and credit card payments, number 6 is B2W Companhia Digital, e-commerce company from the beaches of Rio de Janeiro. This Brazilian-based online retail company is the largest of its kind in Latin America. B2W Companhia Digital holds a market share of 50%. It was founded in 2006 and is highly competitive, running numerous shopping sites. B2W has recently announced a move into the US market. And number 7 is Zalando, largest European e-commerce company. Surprisingly enough, this is the first European company on the list of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. Zalando's headquarters are in Berlin and they predominantly have online stores that sell fashion items such as apparel and shoes. So, this is all about e-commerce. Inshallah, see you soon in the next video. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.